Meet today's mad scientists. They turn ordinary objects into extraordinary creations. Each week, they take on a new outlandish project.
Starts with an idea. Anything that you can come up with, I can build. Let's build a mobile flamethrower. Let's take these parts here and the gate valve. Let's start on the gun.
If you can imagine it, they can make it. But not without a few bumps in the road.
Ow! Son of a...
Welded on the gap.
I get it? I can't even see it. All the plans that we work off, his friggin' brain. Nothing's on paper.
We're not tool collectors, we're tool users. I use it till it turns to dust and I throw it away and get another one.
Okay.
It's hot.
That's friggin' hot.
Make it happen. What could possibly go wrong?
God almighty.
You gotta be careful when you're playing with fire.
You like that for smoking eggs?
Shut up! Welcome to Greathouse Labs.
For the men of Greathouse Labs, building is not just a hobby, but a passion.
What are you building in there?
Filled with adventure and Marty.
I'm just pimping and prostituting like a slut.
So join Lance,
Well, I've been building stuff since I was probably 8 years old. The kids are playing baseball and football and all that. I was in the backyard building buggies with my dad. Basically, my dad's my inspiration for everything. The man's amazing. He makes stuff out of nothing.
I think he's better than me.
Yeah, he is.
I have like two lives. I have the life of my family and I have this life. It's almost like split down the middle.
the colorful Marty,
I've been a lifelong bosom buddy with my best friend, Lance Greathouse.
I love Marty. Marty's a good guy. He's a buttload of fun.
Was it my swagger, the way I walked like John Wayne, or was just my demeanor of like freakish curiosity?
Marty is himself. You got to appreciate a guy who is who he is.
and Scott.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Scott Brown. Enjoy working on the weekends with Lance. And
But there's also a sentimental method to the madness.
What inspired the wheelchair stuff is my brother. We worked together for 20 years repairing life support equipment around the United States, and he got Parkinson's disease and ended up in a wheelchair.
Having such an Adonis, such a Herculean human being, just goes so quick. What we could do for somebody that.
From my heart and from my hand, why don't people understand my intention?
No matter how wacky or zany the project may be,
What's he building in there?
these guys are masters of taking nothing and turning it into something. Whether it's a special order, projects for a fair, or a functional piece of equipment for a deserving recipient, Greathouse Labs has the vision and creativity to build your wildest dreams.
Fire with the great humongous. Go!
Get your motor running, light your fire, and make sure you buckle up for a ride that's certain to get you hot.
Hi, Mom!
Because the boys of Greathouse Labs are ready to get you fired up.
From my heart and from my hand, why don't people understand my science?
There you go.
Greathouse. I'm with Greathouse Labs. This is our most recent project. It's the bat machine gun. It's for a 1989 Batmobile for Dawn at UMC Props in Canada. We're just finalizing everything. This is our control panel. Let me explain how it works. This is your main switch on. This enables your circuit board in the machine. Gun up or down switch. Pull it out of the front fenders and down again. Up or down. And our actual fire switch. This will be actually a firing rate when it's completed. You can adjust the rate of the machine gun. Over here we have a basic just window motor out of an 89 Toyota to raise the gun up or down. Electric control box here, which we remote mounted the circuit board, and the coil so they don't get a lot of heat. We keep all the heat up in the combustion chamber and keep all the components down here where they stay nice and cool. Over here we have our tank sources. We have a small tank of oxygen, small tank of propane. We run the propane around 10 psi, oxygen around 20 psi, and you can adjust them to 10 or your whatever kind of shot you want to come out. You want more power, you use more oxygen, less power, less oxygen. Let's go ahead and give her a test fire here. I'm going to go ahead and raise the gun up and fire it. And 3, 2, 1, let's fire.